There are many interior design tools to help you get inspired and to help guide you to what you would like in your home. We thought we'd share with you 5 interior design tools to inspire and guide you when you design and build with us. A quick disclaimer. None of the companies that provided these tools paid us, and we are not affiliated in any way with them. All of these tools we are recommending to you are free to use. Most of these tools will require a basic computer with a web browser or a smartphone. AI is taking the world by storm, and AI image generators are an excellent place to seek design inspiration. There are many different AI image generation websites out there. The one that I use is Microsoft Bing Image Creator. This is a text-based AI image generator. That means you type in a series of keywords that helps guide the AI generator to create your desired inspirational image. Let's say, for example, I'm going to go with condo design, Vancouver, West Coast, orange themed. I hit enter and it starts processing the keywords that I've put in there. Boom, just like that, I've got myself 4 images. Obviously, I can refine this more by putting in more keywords. I quite like this one here. I love the incorporation of the orange into the throws, into the pillows, and also like the design of the fireplace underneath the TV on the right-hand side. So I'm going to save this image, and when I go and see my interior designer, I'll bring this with me to help as inspiration, basically. If you would like more traditional inspiration for your interior design, then Pinterest is a great place to go. On Pinterest, you can search for actual images and photos of interior designs to help find something inspiring. A simple search brings up a variety of different photos. Let's do a search, for example, Vancouver condo contemporary. And suddenly I get a variety of different images, and you can go through and you can save these to what's called boards. So you can go through and save, and then you've got yourself a collection of photos that you like of designs. You can again take these with you to your interior designer of actual design and builds that have been done. Okay, moving on from inspiration, let's have a look at color. Color is vital in a home's overall look and theme of any design and build. Experimenting with different colors is essential. This is where a color wheel comes in handy. This particular color wheel from Adobe is super handy at helping me identify different color combinations using a bit of basic color science. What you do is you start by selecting the color harmony type. Kind of one I like the best is a complementary or a split complementary color harmony. And basically what you do is you find the color, the primary color that you want to work with. Let's say I quite like my greeny blue, so I'm going to go about here. And then from there it gives me 4 other complementary colors to my chosen color. And I can also tweak my primary color that I'm working with. I can change the tint anywhere, obviously, within that color wheel. Again, stick with our greens. And I can also change the saturation of the paint, how strong it is. I like it a little bit more muted, like this is nice. And I can also change the brightness, how bright my colors are. So if you want more darker, moodier, or a bit more lighter colors. I'm going to go a bit more on the lighter side. I think about there. Look at that. I've got myself a real pale green, and I've got 4 other complementary colors. I don't have to use all 4 of them, but it's a good way of giving me a few other colors that can work with the primary color that I love the most. Visualize Color is a helpful tool that can help you visualize what a particular paint color will look like in your home. Here you can take a photo of your own home and upload it to this tool, or you can select one of their preset photos. What you do is you go in here and let's say I want to use this image here of a kitchen. It's a relatively modern contemporary kitchen. You can either choose colors from a pre-existing image, you can browse a variety of different colors, or here you can select a collation of a created palette. So I'm going to go in here and select on the sunnier side, and here I can select any number of paint colors that I want to work with, and then go ahead and paint my room. Here you just simply select the paint color you'd like to work with, and there's a variety of different surfaces that you can paint with. So I'm going to select this color here for in here, I like that one for there, and then this one for the wall over there. And again, I can save this photo and I can take this with me to my interior designer when it comes to sitting down and designing my home. The final tool on our list of online useful tools is Planner 5D. If you've not heard of this online tool, it's a great place to implement everything you would love into a basic design. Start by measuring your existing space, and then you can go into their tools here and you can either start from scratch, or if you have a plan already, you can select that, or there's a variety of different templates. And in here, you can basically go in and you can see here I've got my layout already selected, and I can place everything from doors and windows, furniture and accessories. Planner 5D also includes several AI tools to help you create designs from scratch. It's called the Smart Wizard function here. These are great at providing inspiration for your design. Keep in mind that although these are a great tool, often with AI tools, they might create layouts with minor mistakes. These tools can't replace the advice of an experienced interior designer, but they can certainly help you with inspiration. So with the wizard here, basically you can select a different room shape depending on what you have. You can also go on and customize these as well. Let's just take a nice simple square room, and you can adjust obviously the dimensions of these spaces and do that. And then from here you select the type of room that you want to work with. Let's say this is going to be a living room space, and you've got various different styles here. I'm looking for like that contemporary minimalist style. So actually this modern one here is quite nice. So I'm gonna select this modern 2, and it's gonna create its magic, and then suddenly, just like that, we'll complete it. And we have our project. And obviously you can go into a 3D space and you can do renders of the design as well, and you can go in and change various elements within these smart designs as well. So there you go, 5 online tools that can help you inspire your design. When you've been inspired by your design, contact us and let's talk about how we can make your ideas come to life.